Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an exciting and fascinating word, adventure. The word adventure is a noun, and it means an exciting or unusual experience. It's the kind of word that instantly sparks curiosity and imagination. Whether it's a thrilling journey to an unknown place or trying something completely new, an adventure is all about stepping out of the ordinary. Let's talk about how adventure can fit into your everyday conversations. You might say, "I'm ready for a new adventure," when you're excited about starting a trip or trying a new hobby. It can also be used to describe experiences that bring a sense of fun and discovery, like, "Our hike through the mountains was a real adventure." Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like journey, exploration, and quest are great substitutes for adventure. For example, you could say, "Our trip to the rainforest was an unforgettable journey," or "She's always up for an exciting exploration of new cuisines." On the flip side, there are also antonyms for adventure, such as routine, boredom, and monotony. For instance, you might say, "After weeks of the same daily routine, I was craving a change," or "He prefers stability over the uncertainty of an adventure." In everyday life, you can use adventure to add excitement to your stories. If you're planning something out of the ordinary, you might tell your friends, "This weekend's camping trip will be such an adventure." It can also describe small, spontaneous experiences like trying to cook a new recipe felt like a little adventure in the kitchen. Here are a few sentences to help you get even more familiar with this word. She decided to quit her job and set off on a year-long adventure around the world. Every day with her feels like an exciting adventure. That's all for today's episode. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the word adventure and its many uses. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join in on the fun. And here's a challenge for you. Think of your own sentence using the word adventure and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Happy learning!